Welcome to BorgCRM.com. Let's understand how to manage customers in the Borg CRM. Now, let's understand how we can manage our customer. This is a Manage Customers tab in the left side navigation bar in the Borg CRM. I click on Manage Customers. Great. This is a customer management form. So if we want to add new customer manually, you have to go to this plus sign, okay, and you will be having this form. So make sure if you are using the custom form, okay, so you can have at least 30 fields, 25 to 30 fields in the box CRM. So you can manage entire details of your customer, whatever you want. It's very easy to manage. Okay, so I'll let you know in the another video how to use custom customer form. Okay, this is a standard customer form. So how to use custom customer form? Okay, I'll be guiding in a different video. Now here, whatever information you have, you can write it down: customer name, company name, mobile number, email address, GSTIN for the billing purpose, PAN number, state code, billing address, shipping address, date of birth, date of marriage, anniversary date. And another field you can add, that may be anything. You can name as per your requirement and the business needs these fields. Okay, so this is a demo account. So we have told someone how to add new fields. So this is an example of those one. So you can enter the details and you can click on add customer. So this customers will be added and it will be listed like this. Okay. Now there are some details which are displaying over here: customer ID, company name, contact person, password, mobile, email. And then if you want to see the more details about the customer, you can click on view icon. Okay, yeah, so you can also see the rest of the details. Great. Now just let me close this one. If I want to modify or edit about the customer information, any of the information like name, email ID, contact number, anything, if something has been changed, so in that case you have to update. So how you can update? Just go to the edit. Okay, I have clicked on edit button, and now I am having a right each and everything except the company name. I can change anything. Great. So that's a fantastic form and that's a fantastic features I can do. And one more thing, you don't need to add customer manually in the Borg CRM. So I'm going to tell the great fantastic feature. Okay, how and you can also delete the customer if you want from here. Okay, and this is a note. Okay, add log. If just let me click one. If you want to follow the payment or something like that, you want to make notes or history of a customer, so you can do the same thing. That's a fantastic job. Okay, so that will be great. I think you will find very great, because most of the people follow the payment and all, and they don't remember what was the what is the history of the customer. So you can use this thing. Okay, so let me go to the customer page now again. So I wanted to explain one important feature of customer management. So you don't need to add manually these customers list, okay, in the Borg CRM. You can add one by one, as I have shown you right now. Now you can add these customers in a bulk also. How you can use this bulk option? Just click on this upward arrow, and thus you can download the sample file. Click here to download the sample file. Okay, just I'm just trying to download, and it's getting open. Great, it's open. Now you can enter all customer in the bulk, all customer company name, all customer contact person. If you don't have any of the information, you can keep it blank, but don't delete it. Mobile number and email address. Okay, this is the email address. Billing address, this is billing address. PAN card number, GSTIN, then state code, shipping address, then normal address is billing address over here. So these are details you can upload directly from here to the director, to the Borg CRM. Even though you have 50, 100, 500, 1000, 200, whatever data you have, you can upload in one shot. So that is a great feature, and most of people use this thing. And this once file is ready, you can click here, choose file, and you can select that file from your computer, and then click on upload. Okay, once you click upload, automatically this file will be uploaded, and all customer list will be imported here. So most of the customer are using this option, okay, when they start the Box CRM, so it helps them. Now you can also download whenever you want to export that customer information, just for mailing purpose or any other purpose. You can use download this button, and you can export the data as well. Now most of the cases, actually always Box CRM will not need you to add data manually, because this is automation software. Then why we should enter data manually? So what we have done, uh, in the lead management, you will be finding one lead status, that is a default one, which is always available in the Box CRM, that is converted means when customer is converted from, when lead is converted from lead to the customer, okay, then in that case we'll have to make the lead status converted. So once lead status is set to be converted, then it means that that prospect or lead has become our customer, means he is interested to buy our services, or in fact he or she has bought, or he or she is willing to buy, right? So we'll convert it. Generally most of the organizations follows this practice only. So once you set the lead status or lead stays converted, so that lead automatically will create entry in the customer database for that particular lead. Okay, so it will, that lead will remain in the lead management table, but one copy of that lead management table will be created in the customer database. So it keeps coming from there only. So when you are starting to use Box CRM, only that time you need to upload. Otherwise after that it will keep coming from lead to the customer database after the conversion of the lead or prospect. So in this way you can maintain your customer database, and you can use whenever you want, okay, in your business. So this is all about the customer management in the Box CRM. I hope you enjoyed our video and training. So just keep simplifying your business, keep automating, okay, and just keep earning. Thank you so much.